Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Stitch Fix unboxing. It is now March of 2021 and I am ready for some spring stuff. I have requested a kimono, some dresses, some springy kind of things, and no jeans. Another thing I did was change the prices in my profile so you can kind of give them an idea of how much you want to spend for each individual item. The reason why is because I've been asking for a kimono for a few times. It's been a while and I haven't gotten a kimono yet. So hopefully if I broaden my price range, I might be able to get one. So we'll see if they deliver today. Are we ready? Let's unbox. Alrighty. The mailback bag, as we know. So we've got, ooh, okay, yes, color. Pretty colors. I'm excited. And this is the price list, which we're not gonna look at yet. This is the oh hello thing. I might read it once I unbag everything. And then there's like this extra little thing. Oh, I think I know what this is. All right. So on Stitch Fix, you can ask for extras. So they have like bras and panties and socks and pajamas and other things that you want to add to your wardrobe. And so I asked for another brami, but I have the same one, but I was like, you know what? I probably need more of these because I'm going to wear them a lot this spring and summer. And it is this color. So I'm just gonna, make life a little bit easier for myself and not restrict myself with bras. Don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't think we're wearing them as much these days. So this is a comfortable alternative. If you want to get one of these, and I think everyone should have these because they're just really great. You can just go on their website and there's a little tab that says add extras. You just click on there and they'll show you all the different options and it'll come with your next fix. So now we'll delve into the bag. Box. Burrito. Okay, first item up. It's from Bobeau, and it is called the Jourdan tab sleeve handkerchief hem top. All right, well, the colors are really fun. I like the colors. And they have these cute little tab. I'm not a real big fan of tab sleeves, but sometimes they can be nice. So we'll just have to see when I try it on. And this is a great example of something that you could wear a brami under, because if you find that it might be a little bit too low cut for you, or you just want that extra layer underneath and you don't want to get too hot, when spring and summer come around, it's a great idea to wear a brami under it. All right, the next one is from the brand Luck or Luke. It's spelled L-U-Q, and it's called the Jenny Latisse Detail Top. Kind of afraid of the orange, but once you try stuff on, it's cute. It's got a little bit of a detail right here. We shall see. I like the way that it's like kind of, flowy. All right, and here we are with this is kind of like the idea I was telling you about, wearing something underneath. This is more of like a sports bra, and I like the color. This is like totally up my alley. Really cute. This is from Free People, and it's called the Free Throw Ribbed Top in the color Blush. I wouldn't call this a blush. I would call this maybe like lilac or lavender, whatever. Who am I? Next one. This is Lilly Pulitzer. So in general, I'm not a big fan of the Lilly Pulitzer brand because I just don't like that type of pattern or aesthetic. It's just not my thing. This is the Kelby knit shift dress. Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, I'll have to try it on, but not entirely sure if this is something that I see myself wearing, only because it's just, I don't know. I'll have to try it on. Not really crazy about it. Last but not least, I mean, I'm glad I'm seeing color because going into spring and summer, I just like to brighten up my wardrobe a bit. All right, this looks interesting. Skies Are Blue, Sage midi skirt in teal green. I like this. Oh, I love skirts. I love dresses. I love skirts, especially like spring and summer. You just throw a skirt on and feel cool and cute at the same time. Let's see. Okay, so it has like a little tie waist. And it's got like accordion pleating, which is totally cute. I love it. I actually like this a lot. I hope it looks nice on me. There's no kimono in here. So now I'm gonna read the card. Have you noticed that one day your eyes work and the other day it doesn't? Today's one of those days where I've been having to read with my reading glasses and, you know, it's weird. Your style delivered. Hi, Dee Dee. Welcome to your 39th fix. I've been doing it for a few years. I kept your Bohemian Princess Badass Fairy in mind, because that's like what I strive for, while picking out today's clothes. Wednesday, March 17th is St. Patrick's Day, so I made sure to include green for you to wear. Well, I'm not Irish, but you know, I mean, I'll wear green on St. Patty's Day just so no one starts pinching me. Pleats bring texture to the skies or blue skirt for a dynamic silhouette, making it easy to create a statement look by simply adding a short sleeve top and wedges. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on with short sleeves top and wedges because that's how they recommend me to wear it and see how it turns out. When you're feeling extra daring and the weather is warm, wear the Free People movement top with it. The handkerchief, okay, handkerchief hem on the Bobeau top is totally on trend. You know, I had so many handkerchief tops a few years ago that were like really on trend and then they went out of style and now they're back in style and I keep giving my things away. So I'm just wondering if I should just be one of those clothes hoarders that doesn't throw anything away and eventually things come back in style. Maybe not. How do you feel about your skinnies? Are they a must-wear for you, or are you liking the idea they may be taking a backseat to other styles? Let me know. Yours in style, Jenna. I'm not giving away my skinny jeans though, because I know that they're going to come back in style. And you know, if you want to wear them, wear them. If you don't. I'm actually liking the change in the jean trend a little bit because it's just, you know, sometimes you just get bored. So onwards and upwards. Now I'm going to try everything on. So guys, this is the first top that came in the box. It's okay. I kind of tested out what it would look like with the sleeves longer and it looks way better with the sleeves longer. So I'm just gonna unbutton these. But I'm not 100% crazy about it. I'm like 30% like it, but it's not something I see myself wearing. I did pair it with my mom jeans, which these are so comfortable. And then a good old standby, they're so comfortable. Anyway, here is a 360 view. But yeah, nah. Okay, next. Oh yeah, I forgot. I am wearing the Free People bralette underneath. I would show you that, but this is not that kind of channel. So this is the second top. It's cute. I like the way it fits. I'm not crazy about the orange part, and I think that if it was maybe a different color, maybe like had some purple in it or some pink or something, I would have liked it a little more. But overall, it is a cute top. It fits nice. It's just orange is just does not spark joy. But here you go. It is cute, I have to say. Like if I was into orange, then I would definitely buy it, but yeah, it's just not my thing. So this is the Lilly Pulitzer dress, and I think it's cute. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, only because I know that they're a little too pricey for me. Like I'll spend a good amount of money on a dress, but I don't know if Lilly Pulitzer dresses are worth the money. It's okay, I feel like I could go to like the country club picnic. I'm just gonna have to see how much it is, because I have a dress that's very similar to it. Not necessarily in the coloring, but in the style. See? And this one actually looks better on me. We'll see. So just for comparison, this is the dress I was talking about. I just feel like this dress looks a little bit better on me. It still has that Lilly Pulitzer style. It just fits me better and the price is right. I think I paid like $60 something for this dress, so it's not so expensive. But it's nice and I love it, and I think this looks way better on me. Now I want to go to a party. So this is the last item. This is the skirt and I love it. It is so cute. I like the little, you know, detail here, but watch when I twirl around. Isn't that just fun? Anyway, it's very flattering on me. I did pair it with some wedges, but fun fact, I don't have that many wedges. I was looking and I'm like, what have I done with all my wedges? Because they're coming back in style. Of course I've given them away. You know, that's it. I'm not giving anything away anymore. Well, maybe, but anyway. So here's the 360 view, and she is a keeper because she is just lovely. Love it. I have nothing else like this in my closet. The color is just completely different from anything I have, and I just, you know, and I decided to pair it with this because this is basically how I would dress this up to go out to dinner one day when we don't have to hide behind masks. All right, guys, I'm back, and now we will look at the prices. This is the first top, and I wasn't really crazy about it. It was not speaking to me, if you will. So the price of this is the Jourdan tab sleeve handkerchief hem from Bobeau. It is $56. This seems more like a $36 top. It didn't feel like a $56 top, but I'm just not crazy about it. And maybe because I'm not crazy about it, maybe that's why I'm assuming that it was cheaper. Okay, the Lilly Pulitzer dress, the Kelby knit shift dress, is actually not as expensive as I thought it was gonna be. This one's $198. I'm still not like 100% crazy about it. Like I showed you the other dress and how it fit me way better and it just looked better on me. I prefer that dress. And then I do have a few more shift dresses that kind of look like this, but they have more of like a boho pattern. I mean, it has a pocket. Does it have 2 pockets? It has 2 pockets, which is usually a big yes for me. But you know, if it doesn't spark joy, you probably should not let it into your life. And it's cute, but I'm not crazy about it. So I hate to buy something that I'm like looking in the closet later and going, I'm not sure if I like it, you know? All right, so the next thing is this. Oh yeah, this is the Luke Jenny Latisse detail top in blue, but it has like the orange. $40. That is not a bad price. But like I said, I mean, it fit really nice. I love, you know, how it drapes and everything. I just don't love the orange. Orange just doesn't appeal to me. So I know some people look amazing in orange, but I feel very not me when I'm wearing orange. More of like a cool toned kind of person. My hairdresser is fixing me up now. I tried to look glamorous today for you guys. Okay, so the Free People Movement free throw rib top is $30, which is, you know, a price that one would expect to pay for something like this. And I'm actually gonna keep it because A, love the color, and B, I know I'm gonna wear it. I know that, oh, it's inside out. Whoops. Yeah, so this is cute. This is a keeper. She's staying. All right, and last but not least, my favorite item in the box was the Skies Are Blue Sage midi skirt in teal green for $58, which is just a great price. I would have paid more for it, but I mean, $58 is great, and it looks really nice on me, and I know it's gonna keep me nice and cool in the spring and summer, and I think you can transition this to fall. Just put on a sweater and some, you know, tights with some high boots, and you're good to go. Love it. Just love it. So the total, if I had bought all 5 items, would have been $382. With the buy all 5 discount of 25% off, it would have been minus $95.50. So the total would have been $286.50, which is fine. But I didn't like everything, so I only got 2 items, and those items were $58 and $30, so $88. This box definitely catered to the boho look that I'm looking for, but I think that certain items were not hitting the mark. But that, like I said, the skirt was amazing, and you know, I still haven't gotten a kimono. Where's my kimono? Thank you so much for watching me unbox my 39th Stitch Fix box. The next one will be 40. That's a big number. I didn't realize I made that many purchases. Okay. We're not going to get into that, but don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, to subscribe. Please like this video and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will come up. Bye! Where's my kimono?